Hello everyone, this is Ned here, and welcome to my Photoshop tutorial series. Um, just to let you know, this is not a video editing series, but just a Photoshop series, so for static images. Alright, let's get into it. The next thing is images. So you can go to Google, and you can search up an image of anything you want. So, let me just get a simple image, like my favorite basketball player, Kevin Durant. Then we can go click images and let's go get a nice high resolution image of him. You can right click, you can copy, you can go in here and you can paste. By the way, to delete things, you can just select it and then click the backspace key to delete it. To go back on your action, you can do Control or Command Z. To copy it, you can Control or Command C or Control or Command V, and you get another picture of Kevin Durant right here. And then there's also layer hierarchy, which I need to explain before going into more complicated detail. For example, let's just say Kevin Durant really hates tigers. We can maybe put the tiger in, but Kevin Durant does not like the tiger on top of it. So in here, we can always drag the tiger to be under Kevin Durant, and this is sort of like a hierarchy. For example, the layers on the bottom will be rendered first, and the layers on the top will be rendered last. So the background will be rendered first in this, then the tiger will be rendered second, and then KD will be rendered last. Now, next thing is cropping. What you can do is you can click this icon right here, the crop tool, and then, as the name suggests, you can go crop him. You can crop diagonally, or however it is, and you can crop horizontally. Now, it's selection. So, right above the crop tool, you will see this tool. It's either a quick selection tool, an object selection tool, or a magic wand. So you want to go and click the magic wand. So, just you want to click select subject. I have an ad blocker, so I don't need to watch an ad. So you click OK. And then, for example, right here, what you will do is you can select. And look, you can select individual pieces of the image right here. And you can go edit individual pieces of these images. There are 4 functions of this. For example, this first one, what will happen is that you can select any part of the image. And then it will clear the last selection. The next part, you can select any part of the image, however, it will keep the previous selections. The third part, you can go and clear selections. And then the fourth part, you can go clear all selections just by clicking anywhere outside the selection.